Okay, SpongeBob, I'm gonna go get some Krabby Patties. I'll go start. Okay, don't worry. I won't flood the Krusty Krab or anything. Okay, I'll be back in a bit. Don't be black and flood that. We're black guys. I better wash my hands. There was some beef juice all over them. I have brown hands. That's not good. Okay. Ooh, this capsule can release 100 liters of water per second. Wash them hands. Oh my god! I found the Krusty Krab! I need it! Patrick! Oh my god, Patrick! Patrick! I found the Krusty Krab! SpongeBob, what's a flood? It's when a lot of water comes in, you drown. What's drowning? When there's too much water and you can't breathe. What's breathing? The way that you get air to your body and you don't die. What's a die? It's when you die and you're dead and your body parts come off. Patrick, is it you? Yeah, it's me. SpongeBob, what happened? I thought you ate him. SpongeBob, I want ice cream. What do we do now? That was wild, man. I still want ice cream. What do we do now? That was the third wave, man. That was the third wave. Are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. What's up, Krabby Patties? Everyone looks dead. What happened? Get what I want.